Cooper from South Australia, 179. Great choices.
Something on the Barbie.
Kathy Herring with 182. I'm glad you thought of that. 5K, now 6K Lamone with 184. Great card. Ellen Card Monkey Jarvis somewhere in the Bermuda Triangle with 193. Well done.
Don't get lost.
And our leading lady, Patty Beck, 212 cards. She's not missed a week, and she's had surgery. She's something else. I'm telling you, these people, they're dedication. Woo.
It's not amazing.
It is. Club 52 welcomes Kathy Day from Georgia. Darling. Sue Harrington from the UK has joined Club 52. Kamado effect.
Celebrating it.
Yep. C. Royal from Virginia, Club 52. That is a cute card. I love that sentiment. Welcome to Club 52, you all. You still get nothing. We don't give you any discounts, not a sticker, not anything, not even a cheese stick. You're just on your own to celebrate your good achievement. As you saw, the Kamado effect is when you make your own celebration card for Club 52. How are you thinking about those cards? Pretty inspiring?